What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I have another update for Omega Digital. Guess what, guys? We got action going on. Can I get a hoya? Okay. You have to be on TikTok to get that. All right, guys, before I jump right into the content, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, look, let's jump right into it. I'm not saying that it's a lot, but it is something, and something's happening, and it's pretty good. We're going to see how long this happens. We're going to see, if this is going to be something consistent. But right now, I see some type of a glimmer of hope for all of us who are involved in Omega Digital right now. And what I wanted to report to you is that we got action on this bot. Maybe this new bot platform is the truth, but for the first day of production, I believe that's what it is, we got 3%. That's right. We got 3% today, guys. This is actually pretty good. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but 3% today was amazing. Man, maybe they're just throwing us a bone, or maybe this is the actual production of the bot. And if so, maybe we're on to something huge here, right? So we're going to let this play out and see how it goes for the rest of the days. I'm going to report back to you guys to let you know exactly what's going on. This would be the returns from yesterday, I guess. So it'll be the returns from yesterday, because Omega Digital typically pays out Monday through Friday. Now, unless they're starting to do 7 days a week, which I don't think that's what it is, but I'm thinking that was from Friday. Now, if it is Monday, when we get the returns for Monday, we'll see what it is and see how consistent this is. I'm not expecting it to be 3% all the time, but they said up to 45% per month. Guys, if we get close to 45% per month, we'll be on to something absolutely amazing, guys. So we're going to stay tuned. We're going to check it out, see exactly what's going on. And your boy is going to keep you updated on what's going on with this platform. Okay, guys? So I'm waiting for some more official information to come out from the company. I will let you know if I get any of that. I'm going to try to reach out to any inside sources that I have to get you guys the latest and greatest information. But until then, guys, stay locked into my channel, right? Stay locked in. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you got that notification bell lit up so that you can be notified every time that I drop a video, guys. You don't want to miss anything. As always, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well, and we will only invest what we are willing to lose. And we are investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.